Welcome to week 3. By now, you should be settling into your classes and finding your way around the U of A campus and Edmonton. I feel like summer is just around the corner. The time has changed. The days are getting longer. I can hear the birds singing outside my window. There's a lot more sunlight, and soon the temperature will be rising. Before we know it, Edmonton is going to look like this picture behind me. Now, this week in the SEC, our theme is food. Let me share with you one of my favorite foods. It's a traditional Canadian dish from Quebec called poutine. Do you know what this is? It's French fries with cheese curds and gravy. My favorite place to have poutine is at La Poutine, which is on 109th Street near the main campus. You should definitely check it out. Now here's what some of our instructors had to say about their favorite foods.
Hi everybody, my name is Andrew and my favorite food is food from Mexico, Mexican food. I love tacos, I love enchiladas, and I really love making my own burritos at home. The hotter the better.
My name is Terry, and I like all kinds of Korean food, and recently I think my favorite Korean food is gamjatang, which translates into potato soup, but it's potato and meat actually. It's a great soup.
Hi, my name is Dan, and my favorite food is Indian curry.
Hi there, I'm Susanna, and my favorite food is, of course, my mom's cooking. But here in Canada, I do not have my mom, so I have to cook. And then if I am lucky, I go to a restaurant, and if I can choose Canadian food, then I love burger. Or if I can choose some international food, then I love sushi.
Hi, my name is Marvin, and I love popcorn.
Hi, my name is Tori, and my favorite food at home to eat is some kind of sandwich, but when I go to restaurants, I really love Thai food.
Oh, I like Thai food too. My name's Lisa, and my favorite food, not to make at home because I don't know how to make it, is sushi. I love sushi. I love to go out for sushi. I love any kind of sashimi, sushi. It's my favorite.
Hi, I'm Luke, and my favorite food is spaghetti and other pastas and anything with noodles, ramen, and so on.
Hi, my name is Sylvia. My favorite food would be my mother's food, so Italian food. But because my mother is not here, so my favorite food is now my mother-in-law's food, so Vietnamese food, especially vegetarian pho.
Hi, my name is Roseanne, and my favorite food is dak-galbi. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. It's a Korean spicy chicken and rice dish.
And finally, my favorite food is any kind of tofu dishes, especially stinky tofu, but I know not many people like it.
What are we doing in the SEC this week? I have lots of fun workshops planned for you. On Monday, we're going to be talking about word forms, how words look different depending on what part of speech they are and how they're used in a sentence. On Tuesday, we're going to play some listening games to help you improve your listening skills. On Wednesday, we'll be talking about collocations, so words that often go together. And part of learning English is learning which words go together. And finally, on Thursday, we'll be having Conversation Club. And I bet you can guess what we'll be talking about. Food, our favorite foods, what we like to eat, what we like to prepare, where we buy it. Hope to see you there. The English Language School is giving away some of our old textbooks. Come to the SEC space and you can take up to 3 books for free.
And our EAP instructor Magic, he has a special announcement he wants to share with you.
Hello everyone, my name is Majid. I'm an EAP instructor at English Language School. I'm also a researcher who is interested in how English is taught and learned as a second language. Last term, 24 EAP students volunteered to participate in one of my research projects. To appreciate their participation, I'm going to do a draw for an SE Apple Watch. You see here. So the lucky winner will receive the watch. If you are also interested to volunteer for my project, please note that I'm going to visit your class next week, and there will be another draw for an Apple Watch. You may win it, who knows?
Last Friday, we had a good time in the River Valley Trail. We went sledding, saw the river, and had a good time with Skokie. And this Friday, we will stay in the school to play board games in the SEC space. We have many fun games like Uno, Monopoly, and Jenga. So if you want to hang out with some friends, join us this Friday after school. This week is the last week for our CSGC students. We have done so many fun activities in Edmonton. We went to Rutherford House to bake cookies. We went to the Barter Dome to play some sports. We tried climbing at the U of A climbing wall. We watched the Oil Kings hockey game at the Rogers Place. I hope you have a good time with us. We hope you have a great final week.